Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Let's see what's going on in the love life, Taurus, and what's the most important message that there is here for you today. And these are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the message they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you too to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So Taurus, the card of victory is here, Taurus. Center of my spread, what's going on? Okay. So the cards I have on the table, Taurus, is the Wheel of Fortune in the upright, 10 of Cups. Bottom of my spread, I do see the Hermit though. A lot of solitude, a lot of being by yourself, thinking about things. So I have the Wheel of Fortune, the 10 of Cups, the 7 of Wands, the Fool, 6 of Wands, Page of Cups, 9 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, and the 3 of Wands. Somebody is dropping something for a fresh new beginning here, Taurus, wanting to move on to something happier. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, Taurus, before I start clarifying these cards, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Though I do see you wanting to jump off that cliff and go for a new beginning here. So, let's see. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person, spirit. Taurus and their person. If they could say something to each other. And let's take a few more from here, Taurus. Taurus and their person. That's it. So let's begin your reading, Taurus. Let's see what wants to show through for you today. The first card I have in my hand is I'm an understanding person, and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you're not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more every time. Second card says, I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem in your presence is all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. Okay, so both these cards are representing problems in communication and really saying what you really want. Your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would let me in, we could be a strong power couple. Now, Taurus, this could be you feeling this way about your person, or this could be your person saying this to you. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me, and I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? I didn't run away from you. I ran away from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and my insecurities. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I will never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. My friends keep telling me that I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. I will wait for you as long as I have to. So somebody is not giving up. You're saying, I'm going to wait, I want to spend the rest of my life with you here. But through all this, I do see the Hermit as well. So somebody is in deep reflection, waiting, thinking as to what their next move should be. So let's see, Taurus, if my angels could bless you with a guidance or an advice or something. My angels, for Taurus, please, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Optimism. Yes, you're a leader, Taurus. Stay optimistic. Whatever you want, just go get it. Okay, don't have any fears, don't have any insecurities, no fear of rejection here. Just stay optimistic that all is going to turn out well, because I do see the big card of victory center of my spread. Okay, now let's see what this is all about, Taurus. What's this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit, for Taurus and the Ten of Cups? Wheel of Fortune and the Ten of Cups. Somebody is making a decision here. Ooh. Somebody is making a decision here as to where this Wheel of Fortune should turn. Maybe they are already in a commitment here and they have to make a decision about whether to go back to this or go another path, maybe of their freedom here, and a little worried about who or what to leave out in the cold. So strange. I have a Ten of Pentacles, Two of Swords, not being able to make a decision, and then that lack and poverty. So somebody is wondering whether I should go in for my happiness, the Ten of Cups, whether I should be in maybe a family situation. This is a big choice to be made, and feeling what will serve me better maybe, or who I should leave out in the cold. So what's this Ten of Cups for Taurus, Spirit? What's this Ten of Cups for Taurus? Ten of Cups. Keeping things totally hidden right now, being a bit secretive, being very emotional maybe at this time as well. Not knowing what to choose, what to put an end to, and where to begin again. This is a card of transformation, but before transformation, you have to end something, right, Taurus? So, Seven of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Seven of Wands. Yes, I think this, Taurus, this could be you. Not understanding what to drop, what to stop fighting for, so that you can now start a brand new life. You want this desperately. You want this freedom. You want a brand new life. You want a victory in your life. So you're wondering, I think, are you at crossroads or something, you're still indecisive. You're still kind of in that moon energy of not knowing what to do, feeling, what should I leave out? What's this Fool card, Spirit? What's this Fool card for Taurus? What's this Fool card for Taurus? Yes, the Wheel of Fortune again. Somebody wants to now invite in new energies. They want to have freedom. They want to, have this Wheel of Fortune turn in their favor, have happiness, have good luck, have victory in their life. So that is the underlying issue. But there is something that a decision still has to be made. Something has to be ended so something new can begin. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Yeah, somebody wants to come out of this feeling of sadness, of depression, of rejection all the time, and try and be that magician who can create a brand new life for themselves. I don't want to be sitting in this depressive state all my life. I want a fresh new beginning. I want this Wheel of Fortune to, bring me good luck now. Somebody is manifesting all this and victory for themselves as well. That's a good place to be in, Taurus. Okay, but then what's this Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Page of Cups in reverse. The only reason I think, Taurus, you're not making that choice right now is somewhere you have a little bit of regret and sorrow about something that didn't work out in the past. Maybe this was a marriage, this was like this could have been a previous relationship or a previous marriage. So there is some kind of a sadness and apology. I mean, sorry, it's not regret and sorrow before you can accept anything new in your life. So you're going through that period of transition, and maybe that's why you're feeling in hermit mode. Nine of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Cups in reverse. Yeah, that sadness is there of having to end something, bring something to a stagnation and go after your own happiness. You know that to find this brand new start, you have to end something to find your own happiness. Nine of Cups in reverse first, before by ending something, and then you can find your true happiness. This is something that you don't want to work on anymore. You are literally thinking of turning your back to it. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. I don't see anyone else here right now, Taurus. This is you with your thoughts of how I can bring back justice in my own life. And you're manifesting something big time. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, you are trying to see what is a good investment. What should you put your time and energy into. There's a lot of contemplation, there's a lot of thinking, there's a lot of having to make a decision. What deserves my time and energy now? Where should I plant these seeds now so I get the good harvest in the future? Anything that you feel is going to bring justice now back to your life. So Three of Wands, Spirit. Three of Wands in reverse. Three of Wands in reverse. Yes, you're turning your back to something here, Taurus. I don't know what that is, but I do see you've got your sword up now. You're becoming more and more clear each day. You know what you have to kind of ward off or defend yourself against, what you must turn your back on now. One more, Spirit. I think that all this is coming from your, you're being in hermit mode. Maybe you've been by yourself or in deep thought for some time. Yes, I think you're making a decision to first be with yourself. Independent, single, looking after yourself, leaving something of your past in the past. This is a big decision that this person is making, that I'm now going to be defending my own self. First, I have to be strong within myself, look after my own money, look after my own self. This has come from your own this time that you've spent, I think, by yourself. I think you've been overthinking. Should I return? Should I move forward? Should I return? Should I move forward? But finally, I think this overthinking, you've also tapped into your spiritual knowledge, or the angels have been guiding you. I think the decision that you are right now making or trying to make is first get back your power. So that's where you are, Taurus. This is, of course, cannot be everybody's story, but if it is, do let me know, and that will be really helpful for me. I do see you, Taurus, releasing something and walking away. Okay, releasing something from your past which was not emotionally happy and walking away, most possibly to a brand new love here, which you feel is going to give you a lot of happiness, towards a King of Wands. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. I hope it worked. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.